ये दूरियां सह ना सके ये दूरियां जीने ना दे जीने ना दे ये दूरियां. Hi guys, Taha G here on my set. It's I think one of my biggest productions and I'm really excited. So the music video is basically about heartbreak, personal experience, but added more, like drama to it. Remembering those feelings and the place where you were when that happened. It's so relatable, We've all been through it. I hope not though, that's kind of sad. Welcome to Cafe Cinema.
The whole aesthetic of the film is mostly like old Hollywood, Post Malone vibes. I wanted this to be a female-led team, so all my ADs are females.
The way that this place is made is very dreamy. Like, it reminds you of that old Hollywood feeling as well. I've grown up watching movies here and I can't believe I shot a music video here. Never in my wildest dream would I ever think that this would happen, but it's happened. Amazing.
I wanted to add elements from Taha's home as well in this. So I made sure to get a lot of pictures and things from his home. Even though it is Taha's story as well, I wanted it to be from a female perspective. And I also just don't want it to feel like every breakup story where one person's sad and then they're gonna be sad for the rest of their life. It's fine. You find people and then you move on and that's okay. And it's really nice for my first directing experience to have all these people around me. So thanks guys. Yay!
So my role in this music video is of the girl who is in a relationship with Taha at first, and then things don't work out between them, and it kind of shows both of their heartbreaks and the story of how it unfolds that they broke up.
We are shooting at an old house that is from my mother's family. So all of this is just it's a memory. The whole thing, the music, the song, the video, it's just memories. And it's so special because for the first time, my song is gonna come through a label now, Sony. My parents will be acting for the first time and it's great, debut acting for them, so that's gonna be fun.
4-4:30 बजे I was sleeping, कहता जल्दी करें हम तैयार नहीं हुई हैं, उठें, कपड़े चेंज करें, मैं भाग फिर आया I'm sorry 6-6:30 से पहले नहीं होएगा, फिर अच्छा बैठे हैं 7 बज गए हैं फिर भी.
It's always good to be part of his journey. It's lovely. For him, I can do anything.
उसने इस दफ़ा सरप्राइज रखा है, हमेशा सुनाता है और बार-बार सुनाता है. So मेरा ख्याल में मैंने तो म्यूजिक भी नहीं सुना. I am very proud of him.
Okay, done. Cut.
Thank you guys for joining us, and I hope you guys have fun, watching this behind the scenes snippets of a few of our sets. Have a listen to the song. It's out now, Aankhu Mein Aansu. See you guys. Thank you guys for coming. Peace out. Thank you, Mashion. Love you guys.
Like so dramatic.